Hey guys, in this quick tip video I'm going to show you how to get over a very annoying thing that happens when you try to weld two vertices together. So we're going to use this one. So you just model in and you decide to target weld this vert to this vert, and this happens. Very annoying that you can't connect it together. So basically, when you weld them together, it's one whole object, one hollow object, and that means that there can be no walls, if you like, inside here. So what you've got to do is check that the polygons that you weld in together, the vertices, there are no ends. For example, this can make a huge difference between it working and not working. So just delete that like that. Get your vertex, target weld, and it works absolutely perfectly. So that was this week's quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week for another one.